The combination is the date of the day 30th of July, 30th of July 2025. I study about a cloud. A cloud flew over a farm on a hot summer day. The crowd was thirsty, but she could not see any water. Then she saw a water jar in a field. The crowd landed next to the jar. The crowd put her beak in the jar, but she could not reach the water. The crowd could not think what to do. Then she looked around and saw some small stones on the ground. Then she had a good idea. The crowd dropped the stone